Okay, key points today. We learned something about the module system, covered some of the basic commands to module systems, that is module spider and a whale, to find the modules and module versions, module list to see what we have loaded, module load and unload to respectively load and unload modules, and module purge to remove all the modules you have loaded immediately except for the sticky ones, and also that this should not be done on PDC, that is on Dardel. And we also briefly covered module collections, which are used to quickly load many software modules that you often use. And that was that. And then we learned a bit about compiler tool chains, how to find and load them, what they are. Then we looked at some examples of software that often have prerequisites and that are used a lot, how to load those and work with them. And then a brief look at how modules are used in batch scripts. I am now going to go ahead and turn off the recording, and then you can ask questions if you have. And otherwise, there are support that questions that you can put questions to support to this form here at Super. And again, a list of the modules documentation at the various Swedish HPC centers. So now I will turn off the record.